Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. I have some updates that I wanted to give on our membership and just kind of talk about my membership. It has evolved a lot and we've added so much stuff. It's growing and I have designers on my team and I just wanted to put something out there. I know we're going into a recession. Gas prices are like ridiculously high. We have lost quite a few members for probably numerous reasons, and my team and I have kicked around like, why is this happening? What are we doing? Are we doing anything wrong? We have been creating a ton of new content and our website has been flourishing and growing from the inside out. And I just have gotten to a point where I am ready to craft with all the things that we have before I start just running with projects. I just met with my team last week on a dream casting for the membership and what we can do. And you guys are the reason why I've been able to bring on more designers and create more content for you guys. And by content, I mean membership files, because obviously I've been a little MIA on YouTube, and I also wanted to say thank you because I've been able to be a little MIA when I've needed it the most to go through mental health clarity. Our family has been experiencing a lot of changes, struggled with my physical health and lots of things in the last couple years, and so being able to just create content that you guys can craft with has been such a blessing to me. I just want to say thank you. Now, I know I've always said I will never ever raise the price of my craft membership, and the business membership will eventually get more content and will go up, and you'll stay locked in at that price. What better time than to launch an annual membership than in a recession where you guys can actually save a little bit of money? And you guys have been asking me, those of you who've been around for 4 years, 3 years, 2 years even, can you come out with an annual membership? My excuse for not doing that was I wanted to be able to give you guys the option to leave if you guys financially could not afford it. Then I thought, well, why can't I let the people who know they want to stay. We want to save you guys money, but I also wanted you to know where we're going with our membership and what our plans are. We have 7 designers now, and I wanted to introduce you to my design team and why I choose them and who they are and how they function. I have chosen people straight out of our membership who have risen to be in the wow factor of whatever they design. We have now branched into lots of new types of designs. Glowforge has been taking off like crazy. I will be focusing a lot on cut files still, and planner files, and sublimation. I also will be focusing on sewing cut files as well, because I am pretty much the only designer that designs sewing templates and actually uses them on our team. I don't want you to think because we are going into Glowforge and printables and embroidery and crochet and paper crafting that we're forgetting about just the vinyl and the heat transfer vinyl. We want to be a all-encompassing crafting membership, and I want to use designers that are creating practical crafts, wow factor crafts, extremely innovative types of crafting, creating things that we know are going to sell. You're not going to be selling some lame stuff when you're with our membership. Our goal is to really infiltrate your $8 a month, or for this annual membership, to take that and go, wow. Like if you were to have to buy everything on Etsy or outside of our membership, it would cost you in the upwards of thousands of dollars. And so we understand that you're not going to use everything on the membership. Not everybody has every type of machine we support. But my goal is, if you're paying $8 a month, whatever machine you do have, I want to make sure you have at least $100 worth of content coming out for you monthly in every single genre. So that's my heart. Obviously, as the membership grows, I can hire more designers, I can hire more moms and women and men too, but I really love hiring women for the fact that they know what we're creating. They know why we create it, and they know what we want to create on a Friday night when the weekend has started and we want to pull out our craft stuff. We know what we want to start. Track of the trends, but we're also keeping track of like, what do you actually need? What do you actually want? I know I promised I would never up my membership cost, but with the recession, I'm not, and I refuse to, and I will never. So yes, it'll be a bigger price, but it'll save you some money. You can check it out in the description where you can become an annual member. Again, if you're already a member and you want to cancel and then re-sign up, I highly, highly encourage you cancel first and then re-sign up as that annual member, because I don't want you to be charged for both and then forget to cancel later and then we have to go fix it. Just for my own team's sake, I would totally appreciate if you did not do that. We have no plans of stopping coming out with new concepts, new ideas, new fun innovation. My goal is to only have people on my team, and I only do have people on my team who are creative geniuses, bringing things to you guys that you guys actually can use and want to use. If you're not a member of either, we would love to have you, and you can check out my membership promo video if you'd like to see more about it. Yeah, I'd love to have you part of my community. Goodbye.